What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Ooh, it's a beautiful Sunday morning. We're gonna get out and do a ride, but first I want to talk to you what I did this past few days. So the past week I've been off from work, having a little family vacation, staycation, whatever you want to call it. But the bikes that I have, or the bikes that I had, were awesome bikes. The 24 Aprilia 2020 Road Glide, and I believe both of those two bikes basically had some needs for each kind of riding style. You had the big bagger that you took out on long trips. You had the sport bike where you could take short day trips and go here, go there, have fun, and all that fun stuff. But I made a decision. I really made a decision, and I had to come to the conclusion that I can't keep all these bikes. I couldn't. On the Grom is still here, but I did, sad to say, I did get rid of the Aprilia and the Road Glide. So, without further ado, let's check it out. And I got to meet up some guys at the market, and I'm going to show them the bike. Let's close this for a second, and I'll show you. Oh, there it is, man. 2025 Lowrider ST. Look at this beautiful thing. Oh, my goodness. Now, to me, I feel like this balances between, the ST is a sport tourer. This bike, you can have a little fun, get on a little bit, have a little fun with it, and it's not a full-on sport bike. Now, the Aprilia, I loved it, and the riding position for me was a little cramped. Did I take it on a long trip? Yeah, I did, as you saw in the last video. But, taking on those for long trips is really, it took a toll on me. And then, I also have the Road Glide, which is big and heavy and was cumbersome. And I think this right here meets in between. Now, obviously this is not a sport bike, but with the new 2025, as you guys know, they put ride modes in it, high output 117, and this thing is really responsive. It really feels like I'm riding my Road Glide without any other tune and stuff. It's lighter. It's about, I want to say, 150 pounds lighter than the Road Glide. And like I said, obviously, for the type of riding that I do, it really didn't make sense sometimes. Long distance, longer day trips, it gets kind of cramped. Plus, I didn't have bags. This one has bags, has a little sportier feel to it, and by no shape or form I'm comparing the power and the fun that the Aprilia bring, but it just didn't make sense for me for the type of riding that I do. I like taking longer day trips, and I also have a little fun in twisty roads, and I like the fact that I could carry stuff again instead of carrying a book bag. But anyway, I'm running a little late, so we'll talk about it more when we get on the bike, but let's get this cold start real quick. Put it into neutral. Just like every other bike.